This research paper proposes RAP. RAP stands for Web Rephrase Augmented Pretraining. RAP accelerates LLM pretraining 3 times and it reduces the data needs by 10 times through synthetic rephrases of web content. Primarily, what it does is it paraphrases C4 dataset. C4 dataset is a colossal clean version of Common Crawl's web crawl corpus, and it is based on Common Crawl's dataset. C4 was used to train the T5 text-to-text transformer models. The dataset can be downloaded in pre-processed form from the LNNP, and you can read more about C4 dataset here. But coming back to this web crawl, if you look at the paper, which is quite interestingly written, I must say. In this one, these researchers have paraphrased a C4 dataset into diverse styles like Wikipedia that improves perplexity and zero-shot QA accuracy. It also utilizes smaller models and natural internet diversity to maintain quality, and it reduces the bias. If you delve a bit more deeper into this paper, you would see this RAP recipe, which is quite interesting. In this recipe, what is happening is that in the step A on the left hand side, they are prompting an off-the-shelf instruction-tuned model to rephrase articles on the web, and then they pre-trained an LLM on a mixture of real and synthetic data. In the second step, or in the B in the middle, zero-shot performance of GPT 1.3 billion model is trained on combination of C4 and synthetic variations. Each step corresponds to a batch of 1 million sample sizes, and you can see that it is 3 times faster. And in the end, it is shown that the weighted average perplexity over 21 subdomain of the pile for varying model sizes and also amount of pre-training data. So all in all, this RAP attempts to bridge 3 important challenges stemming from the ambiguity around data curation. First, what data should you pre-train on? Then, how can you pre-train with limited data? And thirdly, how can you pre-train computationally efficiently? One of the salient features of this RAP is that they have shown that the rephrasing documents on the web using an off-the-shelf medium-sized LLM allows model to learn much more efficiently than learning from raw text on the web, and accounts for performance gains on out-of-distribution dataset that cannot be offset with additional web data. This method involves using a pre-trained off-the-shelf LLM to rephrase documents from a web corpus into different styles. So that's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed it. So I think we need more and more such researches, especially around data curation and especially around the pre-training of the models on the data curation. And the reason being that more and more companies and people are now looking to pre-train these models. So these things are very, very important. Strong language models are being pre-trained on combination of real and synthetic data, as we all know. Using synthetic data enables baking in desirable attributes such as fairness, bias, and style, like instruction following, directly into the data, eliminating the need to adjust the training algorithm specifically. So this offers an alternative approach to aligning language models to human values. The recent uptake in interest around synthetic data, especially for instruction tuning language model, is quite important. So that is where I think this paper could be a good guide or a starting point on employing different synthetic data style in LLM pre-training. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to this paper in video's description. If you have any thoughts, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.